I'm going to wake up this kid. Wake up.
I don't want to stand up.
Then I'm gonna do it.
I didn't watch to pause, 'cause I was cooking melon for breakfast. This would take a long time. Fr. Finished.
Eat your big melon.